Hey everyone, I'm Henny from Pink Elephant Media, and during this course we're going to teach you how to get targeted traffic to your site without having to spend a penny on advertising. Just to tell you a little bit about ourselves, last year in 2020 we won Leaders in Data-Driven Marketing in the Southwest for the SME News Awards. We also won Most Innovative Web and SEO Company in the Southwest, as well as the EU Business News European Enterprise Awards for the best SEO agency. So we really know our stuff. And on top of that, we are also Google 5-star rated and Bark 5-star rated. So check us out. You can see our credentials and of how we can help you. Now, this course is designed to really show you how to get these featured listings on the search results. Not only do we want to be visible, but we want to capture that traffic that's really valuable, the ones where a buyer has intent. And this course is going to take you through this. And this is just an example of one of our clients who has applied the tactics that we have spoken about to their site. And you can see from September the growth, and this is recently the growth that has happened on their site as a result of applying these tactics to their website. So this course is going to go through everything in step-by-step instructions. You do not need to be an expert to take this course. We're going to take you through this slowly and in bite-sized pieces to really allow you to get a grip of what this course is about. So we're going to talk about why it's important, what it is, the best practice. We're going to talk about finding your keywords, how we apply those to your website, how you set up your website to actually, so the search engines can read your site correctly. This is one step that loads of times hasn't been done, as in really important. And then we're going to show you the advanced SEO tactics to really skyrocket those results and really drive that targeted traffic to your site. Now, don't worry, there are a number of ways we are going to support you along your journey. We're going to do some weekly content, so follow me on Henny Maltby on LinkedIn. We're constantly giving updates, daily updates, weekly updates on SEO. We're going to be also providing PDF templates and worksheets for you to have. We have a support team. There's a support ticket that you can submit if you're stuck on any section. One of my team will get in there and they'll come and help you. And you can join our community on Facebook. We'll give you access to our SEO community when you join up to this course. So there's a number of ways that we will support you through this. Please don't worry about information overload. These steps are manageable, they're simple, and we're going to uncover the SEO factors to win you tons more targeted traffic and to really see your rankings rise. And don't worry if you don't understand everything in once. Sometimes there's a little bit of chicken and egg. We might talk about something that you haven't learned about yet. It will become clear. And again, if you aren't sure, we have got that support in place for you. So we're ready to get going. We're looking forward to helping you along your journey to get loved by the search engines.